valley. Now it's like fully constructed, developed. But once upon a time it was a very lush meadow. Atkinson called it, the famous historian, he called the Pithoragarh Valley, in fact Kumaon Hills, as the Switzerland of India because of its potential for amazing pastures and lush green meadows and its potential for great sports development. And these are the majestic deodars and this beautiful view of the mountain peaks from in between the deodars. It's like paradise. And the clouds. Don't miss the clouds, my forever companions. And the flowers. This paradise, we have this immensely sacred place of all the soldiers of the Kumaon Rifles who have died in the battlegrounds. This is the Shaheed Smarak that is located in Ulka Devi in Pithoragarh district. As a little girl, we used to come here for walks, and these majestic deodars have been here ever since. So beautiful, so majestic. Peeping through the deodars, through the tree windows, the most beautiful tree windows you get in the hills. And that's the two boys. Where are the two boys? Say hi. If you can see yourself, because I can see nothing in the camera because of the sunlight. But this is my childhood coming back to life. And that's Wally exploring the area, walking around, seeing the valley, the beautiful valley where his ancestors come from. The flower, but I don't think he likes the smell of the flowers. And that's my little baby. He's trying to do something, and we all know what he's trying to do. He's not interested in going back at all. He just wants to go somewhere. Wally, you were growling at the goats. This is all water. We play with water. We wash our face in water. You do? Hello. down the road, braving the dogs and the humans.